Welcome to Geeks 4x4, the most budget-oriented 4x4 channel in all the YouTubes. And today we are going to take you guys into some of the videos that I shot while in Sand Hollow for the big trip I did last month. I need to shout out to Pug Runner, those guys, all the drone footage, Pug Runner on YouTube, pug.runner. That's all his video, and then the rest of it, I think, is all mine. If I use somebody else's, I apologize. Got the Offpvmt Willys in this. You've got the Super Samurai in this. David Lamb, Zuki 1 Racing. If you've seen that walk around, there's also a couple clips I think from him in here. And anyway, looking forward to showing you guys what we did. And don't forget to like, subscribe. This is just random cuts from different trails, mostly West Rim and Razzle Dazzle in Sand Hollow. So let's get to the video. You don't want to hear me talk anymore. Let's go. We're rolling. Truck driver. There's a big hole at the bottom. A tire size hole. That's all it is. It's just perfect. It's steep. There's room up. There's room up there. Yeah. As you go, there's a bump on this side, so you kind of cruise to the almost straight where you're at. We'll go right up. Yeah, right there. Go a little bit more passenger. Yep. Maybe even just a hair more. You're right on the edge of the hole, so it might fall into it, so you might be ready to cruise.
Right at me. Oh. Coming. And now, hard over. You're good. You really are. Nice. Straight out. out. Straight out. Okay. It's not freaky, but it's so easy. Okay, hold on. Yep, keep coming. Keep rolling. Roll, come on up. Push the box. Good. Start coming faster up.
Freaking fall over.
Go faster out. So good. That's perfect. There you go, Ron. Good luck. Right on through it. Out faster. Stay faster. Come on up. Good. All right. Perfect. Good job. That's perfect, Dad.
It's in. It's good. It's in.
It's back where it's supposed to be.
That whole thing looks crazy, but if you know the line, it goes right.
Yeah.
Cool. Driver a tad.
Hold up.
not any talking and things like that, but hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing some rigs out on the trail. It was really fun to get out and get to wheel with my buddy Offpvmt. I haven't actually seen that Eagle Willys done, and oh my gosh, that thing is amazing. If you guys haven't seen the rig walk around video, I'll put a link right up this way. If you have, don't forget to like that video. But anyway, really fun to see that. Also, the Samurai Zuki 1 Racing, that thing is so cool. Little Samurais always impress me, and I just love wheeling with people that have a little sleeper type thing, considering I have a little sleeper type thing. So anyway, thank you for watching. If we got to see you and got to meet you on this trip, we really appreciate your support for coming in and subscribing. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We will see you guys out on the trail next time we head down. See you next time.